I like this one though, because it's like short here and then long here.
Hey everyone, this is the first Crowning Confidence event and I'm so excited to be here and host. We've got an amazing speaker today as well as some great tips from our great stylist, Tara.
I like to, always keep things happy and go lucky. So, when I was young, I was always like, hey, I can be a redhead, I can be a blonde, what do you want? But I also didn't actually wear wigs for quite some time. I thought that I was hiding if I wore wigs. But I have come here. This is from Super Hair Pieces. They're so welcoming here. They are, trusting.
There's just something special about helping individuals that have hair loss because, it really does affect us. It affects men, it affects women, children, people who are older. It affects everyone. So we really do want to kind of make everyone feel great about themselves. It is really about making them feel good about themselves, to be able to walk out to the world and kind of just feel like, like you own it again. And when you have an issue with hair loss, I really do feel like sometimes you start to feel down on yourself. So we want everyone to feel good. So I have lovely Dawn here today, and Dawn, what piece are you wearing?
Rose. Rose or Adele?
Okay.
Yay! I think the previous one was better. I don't know.
Hey guys, so we just finished our first Crowning Confidence event and honestly, I loved it. I got some amazing styling tips from Tara. Dawn, our guest speaker, was amazing. She really told her story, so impactful, and I got to meet a lot of new faces today, which is always so exciting for me. And I got to connect with them, hear their stories too, and I can't wait for the next event. So if you guys are interested in kind of getting some styling tips from our stylist on how to style a wig or a topper, please come to the next event. And also, if you want to network with other women who are experiencing hair loss in their journey, please come to the event. We would love to have you there. And yeah, I can't wait to see you.